Hello students, this is Sujata coming with class 10 ncert ssc maths with Sujata ji. Now let us study the last topic, that is the application of the quadratic equation. How can we apply the quadratic equation in the word problem that we have to learn in this topic. So let us see the example 1. There is a rectangular onion storehouse in the farm of Mr. Ratnakar Rao at Tivasa. The length of rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 meter and diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. So find the length and breadth of the storehouse. Okay student, so now here there are the two conditions. So here first we have to find out the breadth and length of the storehouse. That's why I here consider that the breadth of the storehouse be x meter. Then the length becomes x plus 7 because length is greater than the breadth. Okay, so x plus 7 and then diagonal will be greater than the length by 1. So as per this condition, diagonal will be x plus 7 plus 1. So x plus 8 meter. Now by Pythagoras theorem, see here, x square plus x plus 7 bracket is equal to square of x plus 8. Then x square and the expansion of the square of x plus 7, that is the x square plus 14x plus 49, which is equal to, and the square of x plus 8. The expansion of square of x plus 8 is x square plus 16x plus 64. So now here the x square and this x square get cancelled. So x square plus 14x plus 49, and then here minus 16x, then minus 64, which is equal to 0. So here x square and 14x minus 16x, that means the minus 2x students, and the plus 49 minus 64, that will be minus 15. So x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So now here x square, so we have to factorize. This is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation in the general form. So we have to solve this quadratic equation with the help of any method of the quadratic equation. So here factorization method, we solve this quadratic equation by the factorization method. So now here we want the two numbers, such two numbers that having the product minus 15 and the addition or subtraction will be the minus 2. So that such numbers are minus 5 plus 3. So here x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now after grouping the two, we have x multiply x minus 5 plus 3, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So in the first bracket x minus 5 and in the second bracket, that is x plus 3. That will be the remaining term, which is equal to 0. So here first bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0, or we say that the second bracket, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 3. But length is never negative. Here x is equal to minus 3 and the length should not be equal to negative. So x is not equal to minus 3, which is the unacceptable answer. So we accept the x is equal to 5. That means the x plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. And that means the length of the base of storehouse is 12 meter and breadth is 5 meter student. So this way we can apply the factorization method here in this word problem students. Okay, and then next one, that is such a type of the example. See student, the second example of the train, that a train travels 360 km with uniform speed. The speed of the train is increased by 5 km per hour. It takes 48 minutes less to cover the same distance. Find the initial speed of the train. Okay, So now here let initial speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. So new speed will be x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, because the speed is increased by the 5 kilometer per hour. If you consider the initial speed as x kilometer per hour, then the new speed will be x plus 5 kilometer per hour, students. So now calculate the time to cover 360 kilometer, and we know that the formula for the time, that is the distance upon speed. So here distance is 360 upon speed is x. Okay. Now the new time after increasing speed, and that will be 360 upon x plus 5r. Okay. So from the given condition that the 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 360 upon x minus 48 upon 60. Okay. So now here students, that we change the term. So after changing the term, 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 48 upon 60. Okay students, and then we divide both the sides by 360, then we have 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 48 upon 360. Here multiply 360. Okay. So now here x plus 5 cross multiply x plus 5 minus x upon x multiply x plus 5, which is equal to, that means here see, we can calculate here, that is 60. Here is the 60 multiply 360 students. Here we can write here 60 multiply 360, and then 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are. Okay. And here as well as 4 1s are and 4 9s are 0. So that means 1 upon 5 into 90. That means the 1 upon 5 into 90 here is, so 5 upon x square plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 450 students. Okay. So now cross multiply. After cross multiply, we have x square plus 5x is equal to 2250. That is a product of 450 and 5. So now here the next one step is that x square plus 5x minus 2250 is equal to 0. So now here also we apply the factorization method, and then we want the such a type of the two numbers that having the product minus 2250 and the addition or subtraction will be positive 5. So that will be x square plus 50x minus 45x minus 2250 is equal to 0. Students, see here that such a two numbers are plus 50 minus 45. Okay. So now here common between these two groups, x in the bracket x plus 50 minus 45 in the bracket x plus 50 is equal to 0. So x plus 50 in the first bracket and x minus 45 in the second bracket, which is equal to 0. So now here x plus 50 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus 50, or we can say second bracket, that is x minus 45 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 45. Now here the value of x, that means the speed, initial speed, but here the answer is negative, so speed is never negative, so it is unacceptable. And acceptable answer is x is equal to 45. So the initial speed of the train is 45 km per hour. Students, thank you for watching our videos. Achieve your success with us. I am sure that you will get 100% success in maths. So watch our videos continuously, regularly, like our videos, share our videos to your friends, and